Hi, girls. Hi, Shania. Hi, Ashana. Hi. Daddy's coming home soon. Yes. You like it, do you? Like Daddy to come soon, do you? Who's hungry? Who's hungry? Who's hungry? Someone's hungry in here. Not you, right? Not you. Who is it then? Your sister? Oh, give me the smile. Give me the smile. Sure, should I say cry? Huh? Come on, Shania, don't cry. Give mommy the smile. Give mommy your cute smile. Come on, show everyone your cute smile. Come on. Oh, mommy, I'm hungry. Are you telling mommy that you're hungry? Alright then. Alright then. Alright, alright. Okay.